Here's a 2019 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Bold, brilliant, and good-looking, it is built to take you farther for less. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, Ford Pass Connect Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, rear parking sensors, Ford Pass Connect remote engine start smart device, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Motor Trend explains that engineers work tirelessly to tune and improve every exterior bit in the name of aerodynamic efficiency. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Hurry in today for a test drive.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.